Never a dull moment. We're headed to Albania because what else would we be doing today? Just running down the street looking for a printing place for our bus ticket, and we found some random store and they said yes, you have to have your bus ticket printed here or it doesn't work. Do we get the tickets?
Got it.
All right, we're good to go.
Let's roll.
We gotta catch the bus.
You better be there when I shake. Watch me rocking if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true love.
We don't know what's happening right now. Ryan, do you know? What are we doing here?
I'm checking out the alcohol.
Everyone's eating ice cream and drinking alcohol and our bus driver is just hanging out. So, welcome to Albania. Okay, we've made it to Albania. We love it so far. Super cool. There's lots of mosques and churches, and we're just gonna wander around here until 8 p.m. So we've got like 5 or 6 hours. Let's do it. Cheers.
Cheers.
Salud. Alright, so
What we love to do best when we go to new countries.
shop. We got our new glasses on. We filled up with pharmaceuticals, makeup.
We're good.
We love Albania.
I love it. Crank it up, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up.
We're attempting to enter this mosque, which is right behind a Catholic church and an Orthodox church. Pretty funny. So Tiff and I got the no when we tried to go in the mosque. We're not dressed appropriately. She's scandalous. It's time for our afternoon gelato. One morning gelato,
Actually, do you have any water?
one afternoon gelato. We're walking up to a castle. So pretty. Rosafa Castle. So cool! It's really one of the coolest castles I have ever been to. It reminds me of one I saw in Isle of Man, but way, way, way bigger. Okay, castle reaction video, guys.
Yay.
Awesome.
Best castle ever.
We can't find our bus. They're saying that maybe it's late, but it doesn't show up at the bus stop, so we're basically in 3 different points. Ryan's there, I'm here, Tiffany's at the other bus stop, and we're just looking for the bus, but we have no idea.
15 more minutes.
Where's our
Probably
bus,
just running
Ryan?
late. We're still looking.
Video of the day. We've made it back to
Everything I'm wearing right
Podgorica.
now was just bought.
It's pronounced Podgorica, not Podgorica, we found. But we're at the bus station. We're ready to go home.
Podgorica.
It's 11 p.m. I'm gonna go sit on this chair.